Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar and to a very special song actually here. This is Collie Buddz with the song called Own Business. And as soon as I saw this music video, I knew this one has to be on Growing Guitar. You know why? Because we're having a pug there sitting next to him on the music video, and he's sitting there tilting his little head, and I really melt when I see pugs. I love pugs, and that is actually the reason for this name on this channel, Gordon Guitar. Gordon is my old little pug who died and left me here, so yeah, we just had to have this song on Gordon Guitar. Collie Buddz, Own Business. Let's take a look at this song. So this is a little bit reggae based song when it comes to the rhythm, and we're gonna handle that, but first we need to learn the chords. All right, so we're gonna start with G, and as you see, no need for any capo here. We're going clean. So G is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have the next chord, which is the A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is D. And that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. All right, so we want to handle this with a strumming pattern that goes down, up, clap, up. Okay, I think that is the easiest way to get this reggae rhythm with just one guitar and this kind of jumpy feeling, and you're gonna get that with using the muting technique. Okay, so if you grab the first chord, the G, one string around, as I said, was down, up, clap, up. Okay, so kind of this jumpy feeling to it. So down, up, clap, up. What I do here is to lift off my fingers from the fretboard to kind of kill the sound and have it muted in that way. So with that, we don't want to the notes to ring out too much. We want to have this jumpy, short feeling of playing downs and ups there. So one, and I lift off. Okay, so. Okay, so that is how it goes. Down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. All right, so you're gonna play back and forth from G to A minor. You're gonna play that for 6 rounds. So G1, A minor 1. That is 1 round. You play it for 6 rounds. So G, A, G, A, G, A, G, A, G, A, G, A. All right, that's 6 rounds. And then as you played the A minor 2 for the last time in the 6th round, you continue to play A minor 1, of course, only 1 string round. As soon as you play the 6th round of A minor 1, then you continue with A minor 1, then D1, G1, and D1. And that ends one big chord progression round, so to speak. So to summarize, it's G, A, you alternate that for 6 rounds, and then you're gonna continue with A1, D1, G1, and D1. So we're gonna play together now. I'm gonna play the last 2 rounds of the GA. So imagine we already played 4 rounds of it. We're gonna play round number 5 and number 6, and then go over to the end parts. A minor, D, G, and D, like this. And that is what's going on from the beginning till the very end. Collie Buddz and his little pug. I don't know the name of you. I will call you Gordon. Why not? You together, you have your own business. What a nice song. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. And if it was helpful, and if you like this song, and especially if you like and love pugs, then give me a like on this one and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much, and play tuned.